Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like some information about the sports centre. My daughter wants to learn to play a team sport.
How old is she?
She's 12.
Well, she could learn volleyball, football, basketball.
I think she'd like basketball. She's quite tall for her age.
Well, there are two groups. One trains on Tuesdays and one on Thursdays.
I think Thursdays would be best for her. She finishes school early on Thursdays. What time is the class?
From 6 to 7:30. Is that okay for her?
Yes, that's fine.
Can I have her name, please?
Yes, her name's Susan Stevens.
Can you spell the surname?
Yes, Stevens.
Right, I'll put her down for the Thursday group then.
How much do the classes cost?
You don't have to pay, they're free.
Oh, great. Well, she'll be there on Thursday at 6 then. Bye.